office of the Reading Company, which dates back to the 1880s. The odd shape of the building is due to its location inside a Y track that once existed here to connect Tamaqua and Pottsville. As we cross Broad Street, watch for the former Reading Company Tamaqua Passenger Station, built in 1874. The structure barely escaped demolition several times since passenger service was discontinued by the Reading Company in 1961. In 2004, the Tamaqua Save Our Station Group proudly completed a $1.5 million renovation of the building. The beautifully restored station now houses a restaurant, ice cream parlor, and a visitor center. In 2020, the Reading and Northern Railroad and the Borough of Tamaqua restored and extended the station platform to trackside.
Tamaqua, main crossing Tamaqua on Rainier and Fall Foliage train ride to Jimthorpe, Pennsylvania. As this is Tamaqua, Pennsylvania.
As we continue through Tamaqua, we cross Elm, Vine, and Rose Streets and begin to climb the steep grade toward Barnesville.
As you see, we're in a Pullman's car here. It's still a picture of Pullman's car. If I may. This is some historical pictures of the Pullman's car. Original lighting here in it and stuff. Big ceilings, original fans up there. I guess this right here was one of my foodies. I had lunch, I gave me lunch and a sandwich, but originally was a shower or toilet area this was. That's the raised down there. That was originally heat. The heat's down there too, but now the heat is back right there. They'd be heating on the ground there, so let's be there. To Schu. And it's just a cold thing. The Pullman's car, but that's okay. Yeah, grabs to get warm there, but we hit a Jimthorpe on the Pullman's car. So thank you very much. Schu. I will leave down at 9 o'clock. Have a good day. Bye. Here we are, going through the Tamaqua Tunnel on a Pullman's car. There's me there. Pullman's car. Now Margaret joined the train ride on in Tamaqua Tunnel on the Pullman's car. Saw dark. So something to about around way up in the tunnel. So go over in. Thanks, Schu.
Why? Anyway, to give you a little history of the Hometown High Bridge, the first incarnation of the bridge was completed in 1870 when this line was first built. It was made entirely of wood and timber. The threat of fire caused by the hot coals and sparks from steam locomotives was a constant problem. To safeguard against this, 2 watchmen were employed by the railroad to inspect the bridge following the passage of every train. They lived in nearby company-owned homes and worked 12-hour shifts. In the event of a fire, wooden barrels filled with water, along with buckets, were placed on either side of the bridge approximately every 100 feet. It should be noted that in those early days there were no side railings on the bridge. However, the wooden structure was built in such a way that any piece of timber could be removed and repaired without having to stop train traffic from crossing the bridge. In 1896, the wooden bridge was replaced by a steel structure, and in 1931, the Phoenix Bridge Company rebuilt the bridge into its current form. It was originally intended to be a double-track bridge to carry a planned main line running between New York and Chicago. During World War I, owing perhaps to its strategic location, the bridge was guarded by soldiers against trespassers and intruders. During World War II, security guards provided by the railroad watched the bridge around the clock. The last time the bridge was guarded in this manner was during the 1948 presidential campaign of Harry S. Truman, as he traveled the country on a whistle-stop tour aboard his private rail car, the Ferdinand Magellan.
Thank you very much. This is your co-conductor, Mr. Kyle Schu, on the Hometown High Trestle High Bridge. Thank you very much. On the Pennsylvania Road, and they go to Roy. We're on the Pullman's car. See the Pullman's car running.
Did you see it?
Yep. On the ground there. Grab's fun, sappy. So thank you very much. I was doing the fall foliage. Thanks. Bye. Kyle. Looking down from the Hometown High Trestle in Hometown, Pennsylvania, on the Pullman's car. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you very much. Hello, Mr. Jonas. This is your co-conductor, Mr. Kyle Schu. Right here we see the little village of Hecla. Little village of Hecla. There's a little village right here we see. Pullman's car here. Marina Road. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Hello. This is Mr. Kyle Schu of Pullman, Pennsylvania. On behalf of Monchunk Coffee Company, I thank you for the free mug that I just got here. It's wonderful. And I'm sure I got the coffee. Thank you. Bye.